I mean, there's no better picture. Okay, so we just finished installing paint protection film to our bumper piece from the Tesla. Now we're about to take it to the car show so we can let people try to scratch it up and get through that paint protection film. Do you think they'll be able to get through is the magic question.
Doesn't look like it's doing anything, but I know it is.
Let's try that brick. There you go.
Yeah.
Oh man, that's really going in there.
I think that's enough damage.
The first paint scratcher.
Oh my god, look at that go.
Serious business right there.
How do you feel about that?
Wow,
Feels bad now.
that's bad.
That's bad.
I feel guilty. I just scratched up this bumper.
All right, we're gonna peel this off and we'll see there'll be nothing underneath the film.
I'm gonna let you scratch it. Huh?
Tell him what he needs some. What we got?
Grab a brick and
Or the wire brush, either one. Just go at it.
The film,
This side?
the paint. Well, this is the film, this is the paint. So scratch it up.
Both sides?
Both, yeah.
I told him he'd be a little funny.
Oh, you bought it now.
Yeah.
This is on your card. Yeah. Well, I have to finish. Get it. Get in it. Get in it. Get in it. Come on, you can do it. Get in it. Get in it. No acid. No acid.
Looks like you ran across something, would you? The hell did you hit?
I really do. I tell everybody they need that stuff. You know, I will probably get PPF on my car, but they gotta fix the front fender first. Once I get it all done, then I'll get the paint correction and the PPF.
He's filming you. He's here.
Scratch it.
I drive by braille
Try it. Real.
and heard that one before had you. So what am I doing?
You just go ahead and scratch up from here to here.
I know how to use this little brush. I'm standing here thinking, okay, how is this gonna work? Oh no, I'm more into fence posts. Oh gosh. Oh wow. I'll write my name.
Then come start over here and go all the way over there. There you go. See, that's great. Wow. All right, so we have part of a Tesla bumper here. We cut this Tesla bumper into 3 sections. We installed paint protection film on this section, and we also installed matte paint protection film. This has no film on it at all. We did this to take to an event so that we could let members and attendees of the event take different tools and actually try to scratch the PPF and the paint. The main things we gave them was a wire brush and an actual brick, and allowed them to run it over the paint and the PPF to see how well this film actually protects the paint from damage. So next we're gonna peel this film off, and we're gonna look at how the paint actually looks underneath this film after the brick has already been scraped over it. So we're actually removing the film. If you look here, you can see these are actually scrapes from the corner of the brick. Very, very deep gouges. I mean, my fingernail grabs on those. They're so deep. I mean, there's even paint missing in this spot here. So let's see what the film looks like when we remove this section, because this is probably the deepest gouge that someone had a little fun with that brick for sure. They had a lot of confidence in this film. So let's see if it worked. Okay, you ready? Moment of truth. Can you hand me that towel? Oh my God, it didn't go through, dude.
It didn't go through?
Not at all.
No, it scratched a little, right? Oh my goodness. That's wild.
I mean, he dug into this film, like dug into it with a brick. Okay, let's get the rest off. Here we go, guys. Moment of truth. Okay, I would say that there's a very clear, and very obvious line where this bumper was protected with paint protection film. I don't think you can get any more obvious and give yourself any more confidence that this film is an extremely beneficial product for the highest impact part of your vehicle.